Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DraftKings how to cancel bet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to cancel a bet or a placed bet, once you have placed your bet and its acceptance has been confirmed, you cannot cancel it. That's the sad part or the sad truth of this situation. That's why you should always make sure you have the correct bet before submitting it. In some cases, you may be allowed to cash out your bet before the market goes live. On selected sports, cash out is available for pre-game, live, future, and parlay bets. The cash out amount may be more or less than your original wager amount based on how events unfold after your bet placement. To cash out a bet early, visit the My Bets section in your account. Click on the yellow cash out button. Once you confirm your cash out, the money will be deposited in your account. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.